I'm recording. Hi. Okay. Shh. No. Oh my god. No. Shut up. I want to do this. Wait, I wanted to pause you, not go in full screen. Come on. Shh. Alright.
Is that good?
Alright. Ooh, can you add just a little bit?
No.
Oh. Can you add just a tiny bit? No. Because if you add, I would do the deal, but...
You add, woman. Huh?
How rude. I'm going to my den. Goodbye. Jesus. Alright. So I think today... Oh my god, what was that?
Me.
Alright. I think I'm just gonna do a trading. I think I'm just gonna do a trading video, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so I just...
my channel, Pineapple Gracie.
Shh, I will stop recording. Okay, so I decided I'm just gonna do trade attempts for these 2 wrists, nerd glasses, and this multicolored charm necklace. That's a very long name. I'm in Alden right now. It should be pretty packed. It's kind of not, but I'm just gonna I'm just gonna pause until I get a good offer. Yeah. Okay, so I changed my mind, and instead of just doing trade attempts, because I'm literally getting no good trades besides like necklaces or really bad stuff, I'm just gonna try and offer for an orange long, because I really want a long collar and I don't have one yet, so that'd be nice. So I got my offer for this person's orange long charm necklace, black Warren, beta, and 2 wrists. I think I'm over trading them like by a whole lot, so really hope that they accept this. It'd be kind of dumb if they didn't. Oh my god, lag. So much lag. What? Trading again, except they didn't like den betas somehow. That's kind of impossible to dislike den betas, but alright, I'm sorry if you hear a baby squealing in the background. That's my cousin. Okay, alright. So I'm trading the 2 wrists, the charm necklace. Oh my god, the pain. Worn blanket. I have to trade my black Worn. All this. All of this. I mean, I'm over already. I don't know what they want me to, like, add or change. Okay. Alright. Alright, okay. Okay. Alright, so they locked me out of their den for literally no reason. I offered literally 3 more times and they declined and said, oh, I haven't been on it for a couple months, so I don't know. So they take them off. Nope, still on trade. How nice. I think that's just gonna leave it for this video. Love you guys. I'm Basic. See ya.